All right, guys, next to me is the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster. Now, the BC was unveiled, I think, 2 years ago. It is a hardcore track version of the Huayra. It has extra aero, extra horsepower. I believe it makes about 800 horsepower now from its twin turbocharged AMG V12. Guys, these things go for about $3.8 million. They're absolute unicorns. You cannot get one, or you can if you're that kind of guy. And it's just, these things are basically rolling pieces of art. You can't really drive them. Some things, from what I've heard from Pagani owners, some things don't really work correctly, but everything's made out of titanium. Carbon fiber is woven in with titanium. It's called carbotanium. Every bolt on this car says Pagani on it, and that is what you're paying for. It's insane. It's an exercise in lightness and design, and you gotta love it. Seriously. Thanks for watching.